Cinderella hair how-to. Set all the hair in hot rollers, the mohawk section going away from the face. The rest of them, have them going down in a bricklay pattern. Remove when completely cooled down. Comb all the hair back, breaking up the ends and getting it to combine. Spray Davines hairspray for extra grip and hold. Then comb into a ponytail section on the top of the head. Use a rat tail comb to gently pull the front out for volume. Secure with a cloth elastic. Pull elastic up and split under the elastic. Push pony through the split and flip it over the top and pull it tight. Make sure the front is pulled out for the soft volume. Back comb the base of the pony and add pre-curled clip-in extensions if you need more height or volume. Hairspray and back comb it all together. Smooth front to back. Gently twist the ends together and secure at the base of the pony with large roller pins. Use a large hairpin to detail the front and pull the poof forward. Place iconic headband on right in front of the poof.